Good evening, scale modelers and siren enthusiasts. Welcome back to another video. It's your host, Ray. This is the announcement of the release of the HO scale Thunderbolt Siren diorama. If you're watching from the link on eBay, welcome to this video. This is going to be a quick overview of what is included in what you are ordering. So I'll try and make this as quick as possible. So let's begin. So this is the Siren diorama. Let me get my ruler. Here it is. I'd say a rough guess, it's about just a little under 6 inches tall, and this little base is like 2.9-ish inches by 2.9-ish, right around that. Definitely professional measuring right there. Sorry about that. This diorama is the Thunderbolt Siren kit produced by Ralph Clifton Models. If you do not want to buy this and want to buy just a normal kit to build yourself, there is a link in the description for that if you want to go buy that. But if you want to buy this pre-made by me, by all means, this is what this video is for. The Siren comes in a small base, so if you want to display it, go for it, but there's also an option to remove this base. I used weak glue so I could facilitate that process for you. But if you don't want to move it anywhere, then I just suggest using some Elmer school glue or super glue and to glue this permanently to the base. You cannot remove it afterwards. I repeat, you cannot remove it after you super glue it. I'll show you. Oh my god, this thing's already falling apart. So that's the air compressor box right there. Everything is not functionally, but like technically correct, like the placement of the air compressor pipe there, controls, the way they're hooked up. Yes, I did wire these. Yes, these are very easy to break if you handle the model incorrectly. I highly suggest holding the model like I did, like this, by the pole. This way you don't damage it. Trust me, I've had a lot of experience with this. Up to the Siren head, it includes the special jail bar feature. There you go. You can see it. That's the jail bar feature. That's just cut up. Staples. And the Siren head can rotate, but on this, like on the normal model, but on this model there was a manufacturing error, so it is fixed in this current position. So one of the drawbacks of this model. And yeah, that's about it for the model. It would be a nice compliment to your HO scale diorama if you do have one, or just a cool display. What else is included in this package? You will find this. It will likely have a ton of folds, but it's there. This is a quick personal message from me, as well as my signature RPGIV, which is the name of my YouTube channel. Included is that introduction and inventory check, as well as the Siren repair guide, as for common issues that I have experienced with these little kits, and quick ways you can fix them. I have over how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, counting this one, 12 Thunderbolt kits. As far as I'm aware, I might have more, but I have 12 of these, so I do have a lot of experience building these. So yes, I did include this repair guide as to common issues I have ran into. If you do run into another issue that you're not too sure about, you can contact me, and I will reply to you as soon as possible with a potential fix. And if it does require it, yes, you can video chat with me on Discord, and I can help you with that. Here's some instructions on how to remove the Siren from the base, as well as precautions to not hurt yourself, because believe me, it hurts when you get cut by a hobby knife. See this right here? That's what you get for building small models. It's a cut on my finger. And last but not least is a quick diagram as to the parts. I refer to this air compressor as the blower sometimes. This is the RCM FC. So you know how to read the instructions and how to name the Siren properly if you do get to see one in person. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a quick DM or message on any of the social media links I've provided in the YouTube video description and the eBay link. Yeah, the link to buy the Siren is already out. It's listed at $40 right now, and I think that's doesn't include shipping, but I think free shipping might be an option. But I did list it at 40. Oh my god, one of the fire alarms. Sorry about that. There's a quick interruption. Um, one, this is listed at such a high price because to get the Siren, for me, it cost me $20 just to get one of these kits, and to build it, it takes a lot of time. And I mean, I do enjoy it, but I do want to get paid for my work. So yeah, this is the first time I do sell anything like this. If it gets damaged very severely during shipping, which I hope it will not, I will wrap this in bubble wrap and any other means I can find to transport this thing safely. But if it does get damaged, please, if you want, send it back, and I can probably do something about that. But this is my first time shipping out one of these, so God knows how this is going to turn out. Thank you very much for 500 subscribers. That's why I'm selling this. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later, and thank you for watching this. See ya.